The 4 best-kept secrets to accomplish personal freedom. Personal freedom sounds great, doesn't it? But for many people, it appears to be too far out of reach. And thus, they remain chained to living a life they don't particularly enjoy. Stay tuned to this presentation if you want to know some of the best-kept secrets to accomplishing personal freedom. Secret number 1. Freedom is in your hands. You may not feel like it, but it's true. Freedom is in your hands. All you have to do is take it and control how you want to live your life. You're responsible for your quality of life, not your family, not your parents, not your spouse, not your government, but you yourself. Take responsibility for your happiness. Your life is literally in your hands. Secret number 2. Live life the way you want to. You may say it's easier said than done. After all, you've got bills to pay. You're stuck in a dead-end job because you've got nowhere else to go. However, if you want to achieve personal freedom, you're going to need to start planning how you can live life the way you want to. If you need to acquire new skills so you can get a better job or move elsewhere, then do it. Don't be afraid to move out of your comfort zone. Otherwise, you'll never be free. Secret number 3. Be thankful for what you have. You don't need money to be free. Yes, having money is nice, but there are many happy people out there who aren't rich, and plenty of wealthy people who are unhappy and who continue to search for their life's meaning. Learn to appreciate the non-material things in your life. Be thankful for your parents, your spouse, your kids, your friends, your pets, anything and anyone who makes you happy. Secret number 4. Always look at the positive side of things. It's hard to accomplish personal freedom if you can't even look at the positive side of things. If all you see is negativity around you, then you'll be chained to wherever and whatever you have right now. Positive thinking is important for one to move on and move forward towards freedom. Remember, there's always a silver lining somewhere. It may not be too obvious at first, but sooner or later, it's going to reveal itself to you. You just need to keep the faith and think positively.